Your Motorola phone has some secret powers. Let's unlock them. Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you the top 3 hidden features of the Motorola Moto G85 5G that most users don't even know about. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. So let's get started. Number 1. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. After that, just scroll down. Then tap on multi-volume option. After that, just turn on the setting. And now you can control the volume of media, calls and notifications separately. It helps when someone calls you while you are watching a video or listening to music. Number 2. In the sound and vibration settings, just scroll down. Then tap on Vibration and Haptics. From here, you can customize your phone's vibration strength for calls, notifications, alarms, touch feedback, and media. So you can make it stronger, softer, or even turn it off completely as you like. Number 3. In the sound and vibration settings, just scroll down. Then tap on Media Controls. After that, just turn on the Use Media Controls. Now even when your screen is off, you can easily change songs. Just press and hold the volume up or down button to skip to the next or previous track. No need to unlock your phone at all. That's it. These were the top 3 hidden features of the Motorola Moto G85 5G. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.